program provides a unique opportunity for our undergraduate students who are deeply engaged in the process of research from the inception of the challenging engineering problem to the execution of the projects, then sharing it with the wider audience through publications and presentations.
The Undergraduate Research Fellows Program is really a way for students to get exposure to research. That's one of the great things about KU is undergraduates can get involved in research at a very early step in their careers. I think there's a great opportunity for incoming freshmen and sophomore students who want to get started in the lab. We'll help them find mentors and structure in getting research started.
What this fellowship specifically has helped me with is being aware of the various aspects outside the lab. So you need to be aware of funding, you need to be aware of presenting, you need to be aware of publishing and these kinds of things.
This program really helped me make connections, and more than anything, it helped me realize the thing I want to do, like pursue my PhD in.
This program has helped me the most in preparing for grad school and being able to find the opportunities of grad school that I would not have known existed without this program.
All these things will make them a better problem solver, and these experiences will make our undergraduate students more resilient and better scientists and engineers.
I would highly recommend trying to get into this program because it will really help you realize what you want to do after graduating with your undergrad degree.
This high impact experience and skill sets will support our students to be the next generation engineers and scientists to carry Jayhawk flag wherever they go.